Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a new tutorial in Solidwork. Let's start the video. First we take a line and this total length is 72. We sir now total height is 72, width is 80, length is 84. Okay, we collinear this. Wait a minute. Okay, now take an arc, click here, this one and this one. Take a line and it line a distance, then there is another arc in it. Okay guys, select this one, click here and both point and coincident, and this point we also coincident. Now we do it, select this one and this line. After making 2D sketch, this is without dimension. I don't give any dimension of any sketch, any length, width, everything. And this radius is 12, this length is 32. Now it is fully defined. Now take another line and select this one, tangent. This one is tangent, and this radius is 16, and this height is 32. Now select first sorry this is 32 now. Select here and this height is 32. Here it is the sketch. Take a length, another line. Wait a minute. And this distance, take another line. This wait a minute here. This height is 8 and this is this length, this height is 16. We take a length and we join this one. I told you why I connect this one, because both are extrude in different length and different width, so and it necessary to sketch a line to make according part 3D model according to our 2D sketch. This boss extrude. Now 56 plus 24. Okay, now again extrude this one. Now I think we use an offset. move the direction, and how much distance. 24. Okay. And this is also again with using an offset. Now our 3D model is completed, and there is a fun thing is pending, that is chamfer. I select this one. Be using distance to distance. Put both distance. Okay. Now our 3D model is ready. Thank you guys for joining our channel. Thank you.